पता है, मम्मी कहती थी कि जब वे छोटी थी तब दादी उनकी दादी उन्हें कहानियां सुनाती थी। दादाजी और वे आंगन में बैठकर लूडो खेला करते थे।
Your mom is true. Family values, cultures, and traditions are left behind as the time passes by. We are giving much more time to one and dearest friend. Everyone knows it. Aren't you all?
We have thousands of followers, hundreds of friends online, and constant notifications buzzing in our pockets. We seem incredibly connected.
Yet, paradoxically, we often find ourselves sitting in a room full of people scrolling silently on our phones. We are connected online, but perhaps disconnected in reality.
Here comes a skit filled with emotion, expression, and what is best for us, early realization.
ऊपर सिर्फ फोन की रोशनी आ रही है।
रोहन बेटा, at least keep your phone aside while eating.
One sec माँ, रैंक पुश हो रहा है. If I stop now, team will report me.
Ma, I am not playing, okay? I'm learning how to say hi in 25 different accents. It's educational.
हाँ हाँ, कल से स्कूल में अटेंडेंस भी एक्सेंट में देना। He present मैम।
Hello everyone. अरे नमस्ते सबको.
नमस्ते।
Hello, Papa.
Yo bro, I mean sorry, पापा. पहले टीवी ने सबको चुप कर दिया था. Now the phone has separated everyone. घर में 4 लोग, 4 स्क्रीन और 4 दुनिया.
Earlier we used to talk while eating. Nowadays, everyone just scrolls.
हाँ, पहले रोटी गोल होती थी, अब सिर्फ टेक्स्ट लॉल होता है।
Dadu, staying connected is necessary these days. Everyone does it.
बेटा, कनेक्टेड होना अलग बात है और एडिक्टेड होना अलग। कनेक्टेड हो उससे जिससे तुम्हारा दिल भरे, बैटरी नहीं।
हाँ, दादू, times have changed. Nowadays, life is made on reels. If you are not on a reel, you don't really exist in real life. और हम सोच रहे थे, अगर रियल में नहीं हो, तो जिंदगी ही कहाँ है?
रोहन, जब तुम छोटे थे ना, तुम खिलौने छोड़ के मेरे साथ बैठते थे, बातें करते थे, लेकिन अभी से फोन के साथ ही रिश्ता है।
Mom, now everyone is like this. If I am not like this too, I will be out of the friend circle.
पीयर प्रेशर, पहले लोग एक दूसरे को ऊपर उठा रहे थे, अब नीचे भी गिरा रहे हैं।
Come on, now, don't be sad. Let's all take a selfie. Family but disconnected pose.
Guys, did you see my new reel? 2000 views in one night. I faked a faint in the corridor and sir still came running. Amazing content, bro.
Legend, send me the sound. I will make one in my house. I will pretend to fight with my dad for more data pack.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, next step, fake breaking the house and upload emotional damage in background.
Oh come on, chill yaar. Real life has become boring. Reels are the fun, the fame, the followers.
But Arav, are you living for likes or living your life?
Wow, motivational speaker. TED Talk by Simran Sharma. Like, share, subscribe.
And today's topic, how to get 0 followers with full honesty. Is that okay? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, class. I heard that some students are becoming social media stars, making fun of teachers and editing videos with funny music. Tell me one thing. If your reel gets 1 million likes and your parents get one tear in their eye because of you, is that success? Western clothes, music, language, it's okay. World is changing, but are we also changing our respect, our kindness, our gratitude?
Ma'am, sometimes I feel people dress modern, speak English, eat fast food, and think values are also outdated.
Exactly. It is not wrong to be modern. अपनी आइडेंटिटी और वैल्यूज भूल जाना उसका ज्यादा प्राइस है.
Ma'am, at home also, everything is about who has which phone, who has more followers, who saw which series.
Students, remember, phone is a tool, not your identity. Fashion is for body, but values are for soul. Real life ends in 30 seconds. Real life goes on, and it remembers everything you do.
Ma'am is right. But who will like all this?
Life doesn't give likes, it gives consequences. Alright, go for lunch break. And please, eat food, not screens.
Bro, new challenge. Who can waste the most food for fun? We'll order a lot, take photos, then throw it. Hashtag rich vibes only.
Are you mad? So many people don't have enough to eat, and you want to waste food for a challenge?
Relax, Meera. It's just for fun. No one actually cares.
But values don't depend on others caring, they depend on who you are.
Simran, stop being Sanskari Express. Wear ripped jeans here. Eat only fries. Speak only English. Then you will be cool.
Cool or confused?
भाई same old घर का खाना. Try some Italian cheesy fries. Burrito burger.
At least I know what I am eating and from where it came. ये जो चीज है ना, ये माँ के हाथ का खाना है.
Next, he will say, values का taste भी extra है.
Yes, absolutely. You all try it. This taste will never disappoint you in life, okay?
Stop. Keep the table.
See, Rohan, not everyone is copying blindly. अरे बेटा, ध्यान से. प्लेट्स टूट गई. पैसा को नुकसान, टाइम का भी.
But uncle, content तो बन गया.
This is not content, this is disrespect. Can you just look at them? They are very irritating. Like what the? Unbelievable. Like what the?
And also reached also.
They are the
And also reached also.
They are the
What
most
10 million views.
Oh my god. Exactly. That's so wrong.
You should
And they're literally hurting people.
And Shivang also
They're literally hurting people and they think it's okay. This is not okay. This is not
And this
okay.
Shivang only started.
भाई, don't you think something is going too far?
Chill. सब ऐसे ही करते हैं. Let's go. Guys, I got 50,000 views on my new reel.
Oh wow, what did you make, dear?
कल तक तो सिर्फ रोटी बन रही थी घर में, आजकल रील भी बन रही है.
See, I recorded when Papa was scolding me for using phone late night. I edited it with funny music and angry face filter. People are commenting, strict dad level 1000.
Oh.
Rohan, you recorded our private moment and posted it?
लोग हमारे घर की बात पे हंस रहे हैं।
So what, Papa? It's normal. Everyone does prank and parents roast videos.
हमारा इज्जत हंसने का टॉपिक बन गया बस लाइक्स के लिए।
Rohan, I work hard for you. Sometimes I even get angry at you. And you made it a joke? Papa, you're overreacting. यही ट्रेंड है अभी।
भाई ट्रेंड के चक्कर में ट्रस्ट तो लूज मत करो।
Today you're making fun of us. Tomorrow you will make fun of someone else. What are you learning?
आप लोग समझते ही नहीं, मैं फेमस हो रहा हूँ।
बेटा अगर तेरे फेम की नींव पर तेरे माँ बाप की बेइज्जती खड़ी है तो वो बिल्डिंग चाहे कितनी भी बड़ी हो हमारे लिए गिरा हुआ ही है।
Rohan, delete that video. Delete that video now and from tomorrow. Phone usage will be limited. What? No way. This is my life, my phone, my freedom. You're trying to control me because you don't understand modern world. And you don't understand respect? I understand it. You have to. Don't care. You have to understand. No, I don't care. Obey. I don't. This is my life. You don't. This is my life. I have to control it. I don't care. You have to listen us. This is my life. I have to control it. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
कहाँ गलती कर दी हमने पापा?
गलती नहीं, जमाना तेज है, बच्चे भी तेज भाग रहे हैं, पर डायरेक्शन ही भूल गए।
दादू भाई विल बी ओके राइट?
हाँ बेटा, कभी जिंदगी जरा जोर से ठोकर देती है तभी दिमाग जागता है।
It was just a video. Lol, strict dad. Your mom is so dramatic. Do more funny fights. They are laughing at my family. And I gave them reason.
भाई
Yes? What are you guys doing here?
We were looking for you. Your ma was worried.
भाई पापा did scold you to punish, but he also said Rohan will be angry, but we won't leave him.
I'm such an idiot, right? मैंने views के लिए उनका trust बेच दिया.
Realization is the first step of change. Reels you can delete, but the reel of guilt runs a little longer. But you can fix this.
Bhai, remember when you held my hand on my first day of school because I was scared? Today I am holding your hand. Come on, let's go home.
Role reversal, huh? But Papa will be so disappointed.
He's disappointed, not lost. There's a difference. Go and say sorry. Real I'm sorry, not WhatsApp sorry.
You're right. And by the way, this reel deleting. Feels lighter.
See, sometimes deleting from phone help delete from heart too.
And maybe we can start a new trend. Respect your roots challenge.
Huh. And step 1, have dinner with family without phone. Popular. If being popular means hurting my parents, I would rather stay unknown.
Are you serious?
Yes, I realized I was living for strangers' reaction, not for my own conscience.
And we are starting something new. We made a club, Real Over Real Club. Members agreed to no disrespectful content about family, teachers, and workers. No food wastage for fun. At least 1 hour a day without screen. with real people.
Endorsement free, subscription free, सिर्फ values included.
I am impressed. This is real leadership. Not just following trends, but creating meaningful ones.
Good morning, class. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Students, I heard about recent incidents with videos in school, misbehavior in the name of content. But I am also hearing about a new initiative led by some of the same students.
Sir, ma'am, I made mistakes. I copied without thinking. Wrong things. I disrespected my own parents. We feel values are old fashioned. But I want to change myself. Not only me, but also this culture in our school where we are forgetting who we are.
Okay, students, admitting mistake is the bravest first step. Tell everyone, what did you learn?
Western dress is not the problem. Cheap behavior is. English speaking is not the problem. Rough and hurtful words are. Phone and technology are not villains. Our misuse is. Real success is not followers count. It is the number of hearts you don't hurt. Yes!
Sir, I also want to say sorry. I made prank videos, wasted food, disturbed others. I thought it was cool. Now I realize being kind is cooler than being cruel. Students, from today, we'll have a weekly no phone lunch break. You can talk, share, and play. A respect hour once a month, thanking parents, teachers, and helpers. Values will not just be on chart paper but in our actions.
Remember, students, we are not against progress, fashion, or technology. We are only against forgetting who we are.
And we can use technology to learn new skills, help others, spread positivity, not just to show off.
And we can enjoy pizza and pani puri, reels and रामायण, jeans and kurta, सब कुछ. बस बैलेंस और रेस्पेक्ट नहीं खोना.
वह आंधी में भी टिक जाता है. तुम्हारा परिवार
तुम करते हैं. मॉडर्न बनेंगे पर मैनर्स के बिना नहीं. ग्लोबल बनेंगे पर अपनी रूट्स को काट कर नहीं. कनेक्टेड रहेंगे पर अपने सबसे करीब लोगों से डिस्कनेक्टेड होकर नहीं. रियल लाइफ सिर्फ सेकंड्स के लिए है. रियल लाइफ पूरी जिंदगी के लिए है.
Choose wisely because
Values never go out of fashion.
Thank you, Father.